There are some foods such as raspberry that can increase sexual desire. The clitoris grows throughout a woman's lifetime. Farting during sex happens. Sex is a great addition to your regular workout. The vagina averages 3 to 4 cm in length but can expand by 200% when sexually aroused. The clitoris actually has a pretty similar anatomy to a penis with glands, a foreskin, and a shaft. Great sex doesn't come naturally, it's a learned skill. 1 in 5 people use their smartphones during sex, at least adults between 18 and 34 years old, according to a survey by Harris Interactive. A recent fertility survey in Denmark found that 55% of women are not having as much sex as they would really like. Sensation started in the clitoris can spread across the pelvic area, affecting about 15,000 other nerve endings. 80% of women will experience a condition that causes chronic painful sex. The surge of oxytocin that occurs during orgasm triggers a release of feel-good endorphins that act as powerful pain relievers. Orgasms can lower a woman's risk of heart disease, stroke, breast cancer, and depression. Research has shown that orgasms experienced during sex cause us to release 400 times more prolactin, which tends to make people feel sleepy and satiated than from masturbation. Nearly 10% of all dreams include sex. Despite what men claim, only 15% have a penis longer than 7 inches, and only 3% have a penis more than 8 inches long. After menopause, the clitoris can be 2.5 times larger than when the same woman was a teenager. No wonder some women have stronger orgasms in their midlife and 50s. Being tied up increases a person's ability to reach orgasm. Some women like to be touched gently, while others like a lot more sexualization. Every woman's sexual preference is different. Women reach the peak of pleasure through stimulation rather than penetration. Women are more likely to cheat on their partners when they are ovulating. Your brain is less attentive during intercourse as the triggers of fear and anxiety are switched off during orgasm. Forget what you see in porn. Pounding or fast, hard thrusting doesn't turn most women on and can actually cause pain and injury. When it comes to pleasure, penis girth is more important than length. People in their 20s have sex more than 80 times per year, declining to 60 times per year by age 45 and 20 times per year by age 65. Americans in relationships reported having sex 16 fewer times per year from 2010 to 2014 compared to 2000 to 2000 to 2000 to 2000 to 2004. According to a 2017 study, a big penis won't stretch out or ruin a vagina. Forget lingerie. If you want to increase your chance of having an orgasm, keep your socks on during sex, says research done by the University of Groningen. A headache may actually make you more in the mood. Migraine sufferers reported higher levels of sexual desire. 3% of people have no sexual fantasies at all. Women actually get erections in their genitals, and even though they're smaller than the male counterpart, they are just as important. Nearly 1 in 10 dreams contain some R-rated sexual content, and that's true for both men and women, according to a study published by the American Academy of Sleep Medicine. The truth is that no couple is perfectly matched, and libidos change over time and circumstance. The idea that sex must lead to orgasm can be a very damaging thought for people of all genders and sexualities, as it puts undue pressure on them and can cause anxiety. 1 in 6 women has never had an orgasm, which is about 15% of women. The most effective sex toy is your voice. It's perfectly okay to ask for what you desire. Everyone experiences sexual problems sometimes, and a trained sex therapist can help you identify the underlying issues and work them out. Although the withdrawal or pull-out method is better than totally unprotected sexual intercourse, it's not great at preventing pregnancy. When a woman's vagina literally falls out and hangs between the legs, this condition is called pelvic prolapse. According to Men's Health, foreplay is to sex what stretching is to a workout, easy to skip but essential for great results. Some cultures, like France, see oral sex as a natural part of sexual arousal and foreplay. A 2008 survey revealed that the French had the most sex at 137 times per year, well above the global average of 103. Shaving and waxing pubic hair has been linked to an advanced likelihood of contracting stress. 5 things you didn't know about your penis: 1. Use it or lose it. You need to have erections regularly to keep your penis in shape. It has to be essentially exercised, says Tobias Klar, MD, Assistant Professor of Urology at Southern Illinois University School of Medicine. 2. To maintain a healthy tone, the smooth muscle of the penis must be periodically enriched with oxygen by the rush of blood that engorges the penis and makes it erect. If guys are physically able to get erect but never have erections during the day, they might find themselves in very unerotic circumstances for a long time. They needn't worry, the brain has an automatic penis maintenance function built in.